Today also I am going to discuss about some problems based on multiplication theorem. What is the statement of multiplication theorem is P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B by A. Here P of A is greater than 0 and next one also the same. In place of A we have to put B here, P of A by B, and here P of B is greater than 0. Using these formulas you have to do the problems today also. Okay, the first one is for any two events A comma B, show that P of A intersection B minus P of A into P of B is equal to P of A bar into P of B bar minus P of A bar intersection B bar. You have to prove that. Take RHS and prove here LHS. What is RHS here? RHS is P of A bar into P of B minus P of A bar intersection B bar. P of A bar is nothing but 1 minus P of A. 1 minus P of A into P of B minus P of A bar intersection B bar. Here A and B are two events in a sample space S. Then you have to write A bar intersection B bar can be written as P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of B minus P of A intersection B. Here we have to multiply 1 into P of B is P of B minus P of A into P of B minus P of B, minus into minus plus P of A intersection B bar. P of B plus P of B and minus P of B get cancelled here. Then we can get it as P of A intersection B minus P of A into P of B. Here we take the RHS, then prove LHS. P of A bar into P of B minus P of A bar intersection B. P of A bar is nothing but 1 minus P of A, and P of A bar intersection B can be written as P of B minus P of A intersection B. Here P of B get cancelled. Then you can get the LHS. Okay, and then we are going to the next one. Here S and S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on 10 be the sample space of a random experiment, and they given P of X is equal to 1 by 10. Then X belongs to S. Show that for each event, E has events are elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and F has elements is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 6, 7 are independent. First we have to show that P of A intersection F is equal to P of E into P of F. P of E into P of F. First we have to find the value of P of E. How many elements in the elements? E has 5 elements. Total elements N of S is equal to 10. And N of E is equal to 5. Then P of E, the probability of E can be written as N of E by N of S, that is equal to 5 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 2. And also the elements of F. F is equal to 1, 2, 6, 7. N of E F is equal to 4 elements. And here also N of S is 10. Then the probability of F is equal to N of F by N of S, that is equal to 4 by 10, that is equal to 2 by 5. First we have to find the value of P of E intersection F. P of E intersection F. By using multiplication theorem, P of E intersection F is equal to independent events means E and F are independent events. Then P of E intersection F is equal to P of E into P of F. That is equal to P of E is, the value of P of E is 1 by 2 and P of F is 2 by 5. Here 2 to get cancelled here. Then P of E intersection F is equal to 1 by 10. Then P of E into P of F. P of E into P of F. This is LHS. This is RHS. P of E into P of F is, here also P of E is 1 by 2 and P of F is 2 by 5. 2 to get cancelled here. 1 by 5. Here P of E intersection F is equal to 1 by 5. P of E intersection E into P of F is equal to 1 by 5. These both the values of E intersection F and P of E into P of F is same. Therefore, E and F are independent events. E and F are independent events. Okay. And then we are going to the next one. They given two events A and B are independent events and P of A is equal to 1 by 4 and P of B is equal to 1 by 3. Then find the value of P of A delta B. A delta B can be written as P of A delta B can be written as P of A into P of B bar plus P of B into P of A bar. We know the values of P of A and P of B, but you don't know the values of P of A bar and P of B bar. First we have to find the value of P of A bar is equal to 1 minus P of A, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. Here the LCM is 4 here. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 by 4. Similarly, we have to find the value of P of B bar. P of B bar is 1 minus P of B, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. Here the LCM is 3. 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. Substituting the values of P of A, P of B and P of A bar and P of B bar. P of A bar A is 1 by 4. P of B is 1 by 3. Then P of the A delta B is equal to P of A into P of B bar plus P of B into P of A bar. The value of P of A is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Here it is 2 by 3. Here P of B value is, the value of P of B is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 3 by 4. Here 2 into 1 2, 4 3 is 12. Here 3 into 1 3, 4 3 is 12. Here the LCM is same here. 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5 by 12. Therefore, P of A delta value is 5 by 12. Okay, and then we are going to the next one. A card is selected at random from a pack of 52 cards. A be the event of the card is face card and B be the event of the card is heart. Then show that A and B are independent events. How many cards are there here? 52. We have to select only one card at random. The A be the event of getting the face card. How many face cards in the pack of cards? 36. B be the event of getting an heart. How many hearts cards is there? 13. Therefore, we have to prove that A and B are independent events. That is, we have to show that P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Here given the value is N of S. N of S is equal to 52 cards. We have to select one card, that is 52 C1. Let Let A be the event of getting a face card. A be the event of getting a face card. How many face cards are there here? 36. That is 36 C1. P of A is equal to N of A by N of S. This is N of A. That is equal to 36 C1 by N of S is 52 C1. That is equal to 36 by 52. And A be the event of getting an heart card. Let B be the event of getting heart card. How many hearts are there in the pack of cards here? 13. N of B is equal to 13C1. Therefore, the probability of B is P of B is N of B by N of S. That is equal to 13C1 by 52C1. That is equal to 13 by 52. We know the values of P of A and P of B. They are A and B are independent events. Then P of A intersection B. Independent events means we have to prove P of A into P of B. Here P of A into P of A is the value of P of A is 36 by 52 and P of B is 13 by 52. Then substitute here 36 by 52 and 13 by 52. Here 13 value can cancel here 4 times and 2 table they cancel here 18 times. Again here 9 times. Therefore we can get it as 9 by 52. This is LHS. Then we have to show that the value of RHS is P of A into P of B. That is 36 by 52 and 13 by 52. Here also we have to cancel 4 times. Here we can cancel here 9 times. 9 by 52. P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Therefore, A and B are independent events. A and B are independent events. Okay, and then we are going to the next one. A box contains 5 red balls and 6 green balls and 7 white balls. If 3 balls are drawn at random, then find the probability that these are green, red and white in order if the balls are replaced. First we take the white ball, then that is replaced, and again also the same green and red balls we have to take, then replace it. Let A be the event of getting a red ball. How many red balls are there here? 5. We take only 1. That is 5C1. N of S is equal to 5 red balls plus 6 green balls plus 7 white balls. Total 18 balls. That is N of S also 18 C1. Therefore, P of A is equal to getting red ball is N of A by N of S. N of A by N of S. Here 5C1 by 18C1. And B be the event of getting green balls. Let B be the event of getting green balls. How many green balls are there? 6. That is N of B is equal to 6C1. Therefore, the probability of P of B getting green ball out of 18 red balls is 6C1 by 18C1. That is equal to 6 by 18, and C be the event of getting white ball. How many white balls are there? 7 white balls. Then N of C is equal to 7C1. Therefore, the probability of getting a white ball is P of C is equal to 7C1 by 18C1. 7C1 is nothing but 7. 18C1 is nothing but 18. Then they given in the problem, in order we have to get the probability that these 3 balls we get the order and we replaced. Then we have to find the value of P of A intersection B intersection C, that is equal to P of A into P of B into P of C. A, B, C are independent events. That's why I am taking here P of A into P of B into P of C, that is equal to 5 by 18. Green balls is 6 by 18 and white balls is 7 by 18. Here 6 table will cancel here 3 times, that is 35 by 18 18s into 3, that is 12, 7, 9, 72. Therefore, the probability of getting 3 balls one after the another, the probability is 35 by 972. Okay, and then we are going to the next problem. The probability of A hits the target is 1 by 4 and the probability B hits the target is 1 by 3. If each is fixed twice, what is the probability that the target will be hit at least once? They given the probability of P of A is equal to 1 by 4 and the probability of P of B is equal to 1 by 3. Each is fixed twice, 2 times. What is the probability that the target will get at least once? At least once means we have to find the value of P of A bar is equal to 1 minus P of A, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 4. Here also the value of P of B is 1 by 3. P of B bar is equal to 1 minus P of B, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. Here also 2 by 3. P of A bar is 3 by 4. P of B bar is 2 by 3. The probability of the target will get at least once means you take it as P of A into P of B plus P of A into P of B bar plus P of B bar B into P of A bar. We take both are 2 times we have data hit the target. Here A only, here B only. We have to find the value of P of A is 1 by 4 in 1 by 3. 1 by 4 into 1 by 3. Here the P of A is 1 by 3. 1 by 4. P of B bar. P of B bar is 2 by 3. And P of B is 1 by 3. And P of A bar is 3 by 4. Here 1 by 12 plus 2 by 12 plus 3 by 12. Here the denominators are equal, then the LCM is 12. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 6 by 12, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, this problem we have to show in another way is P of A union B union C whole bar is equal to 1 minus P of A union B union C. Like this also you have to prove this one. P of substituting the value of P of A, P of B and P of C. Okay, and then we are going to the next one. Here 2 bags are there. First bag has 4 white balls and 2 black balls, and second bag has Another bag has same white balls is 3 and black balls is 3. We have to prove that. Suppose we take one ball, draw at random from the two bags with the replacement. Suppose we take one ball, then it have to place that one. Then find the probability that both balls are the same color. Both balls have same color. Here two bags are there. Suppose B1 and B2. We have to select these. We have to select B1 is 1 by 2. Here also the chance is we have to select B1 is 1 by 2 and B2 also 1 by 2. First bag has 4 white and 2 black balls. Second bag has 3 white and 3 black balls. One ball is drawn at random from 2 bags with replacement. Then find the probability that both the balls are of the same color. First we have to find the white ball and then black ball. B1 has 4 white and 2 black balls. B2 has 3 white and 3 black balls. The probability of selecting first bag is P of B1 is equal to 1 by 2 and the probability of selecting second bag is P of B2 is equal to 1 by 2. Suppose we have to select white ball. Let A be the event of selecting a white ball in first bag is P of A is equal to how many white balls in the first bag? 4. 4C1 by total here how many first bag here 6C1. 4 white balls total 6 white total balls is 6. Here B be the event of selecting a white ball in second bag is P of B is equal to white balls is 3. 3C1 by here also total is 6C1. That is the sum of the probabilities. The probability you have to find that. The probability that the both balls are of the same color. The both balls are of the same color means we have to take the white ball. P of B1 into P of A plus P of B2 into P of B. Here P of B1 is 1 by 2. First white balls means 4 by 6. Here also P of B2 is 1 by 2. Here also 3 by 6. Here 4 by 12. Here also 3 by 12. Here the denominators are same. That is 4 plus 3. That is equal to 7 by 12. Suppose the color of the ball is black. Color of the ball means black means we have to take here. How many black balls are there here? In the problem they given black balls is first bag has 2 black balls and second bag has 3 black balls. Suppose the black is probability of black balls is A be the event of selecting black balls, that is 2C1 by 6C1, and first bag has the chance is 1 by 2, and B be the event of selecting black balls in the second bag. 3c1 by 6c1, that is P of B1 is equal to B2 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, 1 by 2 into 2 by 6 plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 6. Here also 2 by 12 plus 3 by 12. Here also the LCM is same, that is 5 by 12. For finding the probability that the black color has 5 by 12 and white ball has 7 by 2. Okay, we are going to the next one. The probability of A and B to pass an examination are 2 by 10, 3 by 10. Find the probability that only one of them to pass the examination. Suppose they given the probabilities of P of A is equal to 2 by 10 and P of B is equal to 3 by 10. The probabilities of A pass an examination is 2 by 10. B pass the examination is 3 by 10. Then you have to find the value of P of A bar is 1 minus P of A, that is equal to 1 minus 2 by 10, that is equal to 8 by 10, and P of B bar is equal to 1 minus P of B, that is equal to 1 minus 3 by 10, that is equal to 7 by 10. Here the value of P of A is 2 by 10, P of A bar is 8 by 10, P of B is 3 by 10, P of B bar is 7 by 10. What is the probability that only one of them pass the examination? That is, we take the probability of only one of them pass the examination. We take here P of A bar intersection B union A intersection B bar. It can be written as P of A bar into P of B plus, here union is there, then applying the probability we get it as plus. Here also P of A into P of B bar. P of A bar is 8 by 10. P of B bar B is how many, what is the value of P of B here? 3 by 10. Then the value of P of B is 3 by 10. P of A bar is, here the value of P of A is 2 by 10. P of B bar is 7 by 10. Substituting the values of P of A, P of B and P of A bar, P of B bar. Here we can get here 8 into 3, 24 by 10, 24 by 10 plus 14 by 10 into 10, 100 here. Here also the denominators have 8 into 3, 24, 10 into 10, 100. Here also 2 into 7, 14, 10 into 10, 100. 24 by 100 plus 14 by 100. Here the denominators are same. 24 plus 14, that is equal to 38 by 100. 2 table how many times here? 1, 9. Here 50. Only one of the probability of only one of the passed examination for A and B is 19 by 50. Okay, and then we are going to the next problem. Here also 2 bags is there. First bag has 8 red balls and 6 white balls, and 6 white balls. For drawing 2 balls are made. Find the probability that the first ball gives 2 red balls. First drawing we get is 2 red balls. In second drawing we get it is 2 blue balls. If the balls are of the same replaced before the second draw, if the balls are replaced before the Second, the total number of balls is how many here? 8 red balls plus 6 white balls. Two drawings of 2 balls are made. Find the probability of first draw is 2 red balls and second ball is 2 black balls. Total how many balls is there here? Total balls is equal to 8 plus 6, that is 15. N of S is equal to, we take it as 2 balls at a time. First drawing is, let A be the event of first drawing gives a red ball. Let A be the event of first drawing is red ball. How many red balls are there here? 8 red balls, that is 8C2. P of A, the probability is 8C2 by 15C2. 8C2 by 15C2, and B be the event of second drawing is, what is the second color? First, one is red, another one is white. How many white balls is there? 7. 7C2 by 15C2. 7C2 by 6 only, 6 only. 8 plus 6 is here 14. Here also 14C2. Here also we can take only 14. Here also 14C2. 8C2 by 14C2. Here also 7C2 by 14C2. Here these two are independent events. Then the probability is 8C2 by 14C2 into 6C2 by 14C2. 8C2 means 8 into 7 into 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 6 factorial. Here also the same, 14 into 13 into 12 factorial by 2 into 12 factorial into 6C2, 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial by, here also 14 into 13 into 12 factorial by 2 into 12 factorial, 12 factorial, 12 factorial, 4 factorial, 4 factorial get cancelled here. Here also the same cancel we have to get here. 8 into here 2 also will have to cancel here 4 times, here 7 times. Here 2 will cancel here 3 times. Here 2 will cancel here 7 times. Here 4 into 7 by 7 into 13 into 3 into 5 by 7 into 13. 7 get cancelled here. 4 by 13 into 3 into 5 by 7 into 13. This is the probability of finding. The probability of finding the A and B are first before drawing the second draw. And then we are going to the next problem. A box X contains 3 white and 2 black balls. Another bag has 2 white and 4 black balls. One bag is selected at random. A ball is selected from it. Then find the probability that the ball is white. Here X has 3 white and 2 black balls. X has 2 white and 3 white and 2 black balls. 3 white and 2 black balls. And Y has 2 white and 4 black balls. We have to select only one bag. That is the probability of selecting the bag X is 1 by 2. Similarly, the probability of selecting a bag Y is selecting the bag Y is 1 by 2. Here we have to take P of E1 is equal to P of E2 is equal to 1 by 2. The probability of finding all balls are white here. Find the probability that the ball is white. Here we have to take it as P of A by E1 is equal to 3 by 3C1 by total how many balls? 5C1. And P of E2 is equal to 1 by 2. P of B by E2 is equal to, here also we have to select the white ball is 2 by 6. Therefore, the probability of both the balls is 1 by 2 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 into how many white balls is there here? 2 by 6. That is equal to 3 by 10. Here 2 by 12. The LCM of 10 and 12 is here 5, 6. Again 2 here 5, 3. 60 here. Here 10, 6 into 3, 18. Here 12 is there. 60 by 12 is 5. 2 into 5, 10. 28 by 60. 2 table will cancel here. 14 by 30 and again 7 by 15. The probability is here 7 by 15. Before drawing the two balls has the white probability is 7 by 15. Okay, and then we are going to the next one. Two squares are there at random on a chessboard. Chessboard has how many squares? 64. Then we have to select two squares. We have to select two squares. Show that the probability that they have a side is common is 1 by 18. We have to prove here 1 by 18. 60. Select n of s is equal to 64 C2. Two squares are selected at random. Let A be the event of two squares is here like chessboard like this. Here we have to select this type and this also. This is one way and the horizontal and vertical way. We have to select here 2 into 8p2. 2 into 8p2. Therefore, it is n of a. The probability is getting one side is common here. Probability of one side is common. Common is n of a by n of s. That is equal to 2 into 8p2 by 64 C2. 2 into 8p2 by 64 C2. And then we are going to the next problem. An integer is picked from out of 20 numbers. 1 to 20 is there. Both inclusive events. Let us find that the probability is prime. We have to select one integer out of 10. Here s is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 20. n of s is equal to 20 integers are there. We have to select here only one. The probability that it is prime. Prime numbers means A be the event of getting all prime numbers. All prime numbers in between 1 to 20 is equal to n of a is equal to, we have to write here, n of a is equal to, the prime numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. The prime numbers are here, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Therefore, the probability is n of a by n of s, that is equal to 8 by n of s is, n of s is 20 c1. 20 c1 is nothing but 20, that is equal to 8 by 20. Here 4 table will cancel here, 2 by 5. Therefore, the probability of the prime numbers is 2 by 5. Okay, and then we are going to discuss about the Bayes theorem. In Bayes theorem, the differences between the Bayes theorem and multiplication theorem. Multiplication theorem is, we have to select A and B are independent events. In Bayes theorem means we have to select, suppose three bags are there. Three bags are there, first, second, third. Here we have two white balls and five black balls. Here three white and one black ball. Here two white balls and seven black balls are there. We have to find the probability of the second one. The probability of second one. First we have to select, first bag has how many chances here? Probability of selecting first bag is 1 by 3. And similarly, probability of second bag also 1 by 3 and probability of third bag also 1 by 3. Suppose we have to select from the second bag to find the probability of in second bag white balls, that is P of E2 by E1 by sigma P of E1 first bag and P of E2, P of E3. Like this we have to find the values of using Bayes theorem. Okay. But in the multiplication theorem, we have to prove here only first two bags are there. Two bags has white balls is 3, here white balls is 5 and here black balls is 2 and black balls is 3, like this. Suppose one ball is taken and replaced or without replaced. With replace means we have to take total. With replace means we have to take it as the total balls. Without replacement is we take one ball. We take one ball is here. How many balls is there? 5. We take one ball. Remaining is 4. We have to find the probability of that remaining balls only. With replace means we have to take all total balls, but without replacement means we take only the remaining balls. This is the difference between the Bayes theorem and multiplication theorem. Okay, and then Here 4 white balls and 2 black balls here is there, and second bag has 3 white and 3 black balls. Here we have to take one ball is with replacement. Here we have to take the total balls is 6. Suppose one ball is taken and another ball we have to replace that. Here B1 and B2 has the chances is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. And first bag has 4 white balls and 2 black balls. And second bag has 3 white and 3 black. This is the probability we have to find the both balls are of the same color. In the same color we have to find the white and black. Okay, and then here the probability of A hits is 1 by 4 and B hits is 1 by 3. If each is fixed twice, 2 times we have to fix it. What is the probability that will be at least once? We have to take here two members at a time. That is, and second one is only A hit the target, and third one is only B hits the target. Here we have to find the A and B hits the targets like this. Okay, here we have to take it as 1 by 4, here 1 by 3, and P of A bar is 3 by 4, here 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, here B bar is 2 by 3. Like this we have to do the problems like this. We will continue in the next class, Bayes theorem.